All right, this review's on this 15-inch surface cleaner. Now this comes with this extension that is 15 inches, and it also comes with another extension. So you get two of these, you get this piece, and there's little nozzles down underneath here. These are what's going to spray the water out. It comes with two extra nozzles. So in case these get clogged up or get really bad and dirty, you have two extra ones. It's all stainless steel. Works on pretty much any pressure washer. I use mine on just my little 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. Let me hook this up and I'll show you how it works on this really dirty sidewalk. This thing works awesome. That's it. And I go back, I like to overlap a little. That's how it works. I 100% recommend this 15-inch surface cleaner. Clean your sidewalks or your driveways. And you can also use this on a wooden deck. It works really great on a wooden deck because you don't got to worry about tearing the wood up.